Hello guys, welcome back. In this class we're going to start to working in a CRUD. CRUD basically is an acronym for create, read, update and delete. CRUDs are usually the most important thing in one application, in normal application. Is when I say importance is in the point of view that it's one of the things that the developers do most in during the day-to-day development of the development, so most part of the time we spend our times doing or create page or creates a page for creating objects for reading objects or for updating objects or for deleting objects. Okay, so that's one of the most important things that one backend develops should know how to do. Okay, in this application, in this course, we're going to create one small application to do CRUDs of clients to make you able to manage your clients, a client register or client list online. Okay, so we're going to start in this class working straight on this small application. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is let's say we need to put a comment here, like this. So CRUD. Okay, so C will be create, R will be read, U will be update, and for sure D will be delete. Okay, um for to make it simple and more clear, we will start with the read, not with the C. You will understand soon why. So let's do the read first. If we have a look here in our URLs, the main URLs, everything that start with clients will redirect the user to list clients. Okay, so sorry, no, everything that start with clients. Where is that? No, 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 no. Let me check if we. Oh, okay, no, we still didn't. We didn't include one extra URL file for the course. So that's the first thing that we need to do. Everything that we start with clients, we should be redirecting for URLs specific from our app. That's not a good practice having every single URL here inside the main URLs. Okay, if you have like tons of apps, it would be a nightmare. So as the documentation says here, we can create a path and include the URLs from one specific app. That's what we are going to do. So if I put path here, and then I will do control X to remove that one, and then I'll say clients. Every client, every time the user type clients in the URL, will include the our core dot URLs, a file that we're going to create. Okay, so I'll put a comma here, and then I will create a file called urls dot py. I'm gonna paste it here, and then I will copy that just to make it simple, and then we don't need to import this anymore. We need the path. We don't need for now this one, or either this or that. So I'm gonna clean up everything. We don't need this, and as well we don't need most part of these URLs. Okay, so basically when the user enter in an empty URL, let call the list clients. Okay, remember that we are doing the read, so user want to read from the database the list of clients that we have at the moment. So that's what we're going to do. Let me check one last thing here. We need to import the include. Okay, we need to import include come from Django URLs. So we have already Django URLs, importing path, and as well we're going to import include. Okay, we are good to close this one already and concentrate just on this one. So the first URL, the very first client URL will redirect to list clients. So from views import list URLs. Okay, so we are importing it already. We don't need this anymore. So here in views we need to see here the Django is complaining that cannot import list clients. Of course it doesn't exist yet, so let's define it here. That gets the request. Okay, we can remove this comment. Okay, what we need to do, we need to first of all read all clients from the database and then put it back into the response. If we have a look here in the models, we have the client model. We can import that here. So from models import client, and then to, as you remember, to read all the clients from the database, you can do like this: clients are variable to store the list, and then client.object.all, and that's it. It will do like select asterisk from clients. You know, it's the same in SQL language. So okay, once we have the clients already, I can and I should put it back in a response. So we will do return handler, and then I put back the request, and as well now I need to provide one template. Okay, let me explain you one thing that I didn't explain during the templates class because I forgot. This is the same way that Django handles the static files. It will by default look for a static folder inside the app folder. It will look as well for a template folder. If I put template like this, okay, it will automatically by default Django will look for, it will expect that you can have one template folder inside your app, and then you can place one file here with the HTML and with the templates that you want to provide. So if I put here like clients.html, now we have an HTML provided for your application, and here I can put like clients.html. And as you know, we can put a context, and then I'll put clients and clients. That's it. This way I'm gonna to inject this variable inside my template, my clients template. Okay, so let's make it work now. Let's create the base of the file, and then let's do a quick loop and show all the files that we have. So for client in clients, and let's print out all the clients. You know that already. I'm pretty sure that you are expert already in this thing, so I don't need to explain it anymore. You will and then this. So we are doing a loop inside this list. For every single client I will create a list item, and of course the list headers, we don't need the UL, it will not repeat, so we don't need to put this inside the loop, so it will be outside the loop. Here I'm gonna put a title, clients list. Okay, so we imported the URLs from our core URLs. We create a file in core, file called URLs, and we include one path with a new URL linked to this function, and this function read all the clients from the database, put it back in a template, and send back to the users. Let's see if it is working fine. If we go here and do clients now, we have a client has no attribute object. So we can see here that it's complaining views line 6. If you go back there, let's see what's going on. Of course it's wrong, it's objects, not object. If we refresh it now, it's complaining about clients.html. Clients.html template. It's templates. Sorry about that. It's my bad. Templates instead of template. Let's refresh that again. We still have problem. Let me stop the server and run that again. For some reason it didn't refactor the file. I will uncheck these two boxes and that's it. Templates. Okay, here we go. Now it's working fine. So the view working very well, and as well we could get all the clients from the database. If we go here back and if we create a new file, a new client, let's see what we have. We don't have John Cena. I don't know if Cena is written this way. Don't get mad with me if the spelling is wrong. So okay, if we update the page, here we go. We have the John client already listed. Easy peasy, no guys, no problems, no too much code to write, no too much logic to do. It's a very simple thing to do. And with this step, we just finished the read section. Okay, read section is working okay. Next class, we're going to see how to do a create. How can we create a form to provide a way to the user to create a new fresh new client and put this on our database. Okay, very nice class is coming on. Okay guys, I hope that you have implemented these in your machine and it is working fine, but if not, as you know, put your comment down below and I will see you next time. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.